2025 is here, and if you are still rocking that same haircut from 3 years ago, I think it's time to level up. Today in this video, I'm ranking the top 5 best men's haircut for 2025 from short, medium to long, plus how to actually style them so you don't look like you just rolled out of bed. Now let's dive right into it. The buzz cut with fade. So starting at number 5, we got the buzz cut with fade. This haircut is perfect for guys who want low maintenance and sharp haircut. This haircut is especially great for summer, gym goers, or if you are just tired of fixing your hair every morning, since it is extremely low maintenance. When you are getting this cut, ask for a skin fade or taper fade to give it that modern edge. And if you want to stand out more, try dyeing it blonde or platinum for the 2025 vibe. And as I said before, this hairstyle is for guys who want an effortless, masculine look without worrying about styling. The French crop. At number 4, we have the French crop, a timeless cut that's been evolving and is definitely in for 2025. This cut has short sides with a large fringe in front. It works amazing if you got wavy or straight hair, and it looks intentional and easy without trying too hard. For styling, use a matte clay or textured paste, nothing too shiny. Keep it messy for casual days or slick it down slightly for a sharper look. This haircut is for guys who want something trendy but easy to manage. The textured quiff. At number 3, we have the textured quiff, a modern classic that's not going anywhere anytime soon. It is a haircut that has medium length on top, short faded or taper faded sides. This hairstyle adds volume and structure, which is especially good for guys with thicker hair. Blow dry your hair up and back using a round brush for that natural lift, and then lock it in with a matte finish product to avoid that greasy look. This haircut is for guys who want a versatile, stylish haircut for casual and formal settings. The middle parted flow. Number 2. The middle parted flow, also called the bro flow. If you are growing your hair out and want that effortless, model-like look, this haircut is the right one for you. This looks laid back, confident, and sharp when styled properly. For styling this, I would say keep the sides trimmed just enough to avoid the messy face, and use lightweight mousse or leave-in conditioner to give it body and control the frizz. This haircut is for guys who are going for that cool, effortless vibe but willing to maintain and care for their hair a bit more than other ones. The layered wolf cut. And taking the number 1 spot for 2025's hottest hairstyle is the layered wolf cut. This cut is all about layers, texture, and a controlled chaos. Think about a K-pop look that meets grunge but masculine and sharper. For this hairstyle, use a texturing spray or sea salt spray, scrunch it in, and you are done. If you got naturally wavy or thick hair, you are already halfway there. And this is for guys who want to stand out, be on trend, and owe the room with your hairstyle. And bonus, it works great with dyed or highlighted hair too if you want to push that look further. So those were my top 5 hairstyles for men in 2025, ranked and ready for you to choose. From short and sharp to long and layered, there's something for everyone. Comment down below which one's your pick, and if you're actually looking to grow your hair out, then check out my video on how to properly grow your hair out, because you will definitely need it. So make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more style tips, and I'll see you guys in the next video.